To wrap up our introduction, let's take a moment to reflect on why this course is so important. The AI revolution is here, and it's not just for tech experts anymore. AI is rapidly reshaping how we work, communicate, and solve problems, and its impact is only going to grow from here. Understanding the basics of AI is quickly becoming as essential as digital literacy. Just as knowing how to use a computer is a fundamental skill today, knowing how AI works and how to leverage it will be crucial in navigating the future. This course is designed to empower you with that knowledge. By the end, you'll not only understand the foundational concepts of AI, but you'll also have the practical skills to apply AI in ways that can truly enhance your work and life. So, as we move forward, remember that you're not just learning about AI, you're preparing yourself to thrive in an AI-driven world. Let's get started.